CFE. They marry up and they smooth rock it rock up and this. Baby, boy magwe wa enoneka. Baby luma baya yesi bya kuluma. Yesi yenjala wali demu serena kubanga yadayo wakakulya kuya muchala wa. Badi bulaka ya enoneka. Chacha yogera ku bigambo bya enoneka. Yachisambo nelabu ya enoneka kubanga resenta abana baganze nkobe. Fulu figure te wa enoneka. Just bajo ya kutegerera tongoma.
I traveled with a team of like 20 people to Jinja.
Yeah.
Now this is a team that you must travel with to a place if you want to have fun. And that is exactly what I did.
We are right here in Musowo. Cool.
These guys are the coolest. Believe me, we should travel with them. This was a team of around like 20 people. We set off at around 8 from Kampala, from for a small Lugogo. We got to Jinja, and definitely our first activity was the tubing. Oof, I don't even know what to say about tubing. You guys need to do this. You know, have you ever been in the middle of the lake on a tube, drinking, eating fruits, chatting with people you've never met before, but this is your first time to be with them? Of course, tubing wasn't the only thing we did, but I think we spent like an hour because it was amazing. So definitely we had to be on the water for some time. After that, we had to do sliding, of course. For kids, I think it's kids wouldn't be scared, but for adults, definitely we were more fearful than adults. But still, anyway, we did it. Some people chickened out. I could say there is a gentleman who could have actually peed on himself, but I won't even mention names because it would kill me. After the water slide, we definitely had to proceed because we had to visit the amazing Soko Falls. We got there, we took pictures, we did some snacks at the falls. You know, if you haven't seen the most beautiful falls, then you need to visit Soko Falls. Now this place is lovely. If you're planning to like propose to someone, then definitely take them to Soko Falls and propose.